Hello, in front of me I've got REDMAGIC controller. In this video I'll show you how to manage the controller in-game. Firstly, right here we've got two joysticks, and the whole controller works like every other controller. Right here we've got the menu button, view button. Right here we've got the button, thanks to which we can take screenshots. Here we've got the button, thanks to which we can go back to the homepage of the smartphone. On the top we've got LT, RT, and LB and RB. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.